fixed by gentle light, a quiet place where dreams unfold, where silent truths are softly told. The moon hangs low above the shore, its shimmer opening hidden doors. A breath, a pause, the world stands still, letting the heart feel what it will. A mirror holding sky and soul, where scattered pieces come back whole. In this calm glow the mind can see the deeper truths of what can be. Through the stillness, wisdom streams, awakening thoughts like quiet beams, guiding with a tender grace, a touch of calm in every